My baby, how are you?
I'm fine.
I missed you.
I missed you more. Look at you. How have you been?
I'm there.
How is school?
School is stressful. What of your parents?
They are fine. My mother sent me to go and get something for her. But you left this village 3 weeks ago. What are you doing back so soon? Is there any problem?
Have you forgotten I'm in my final year?
I know.
I've not even paid my school fees. My project is there. And I need to sort one or two so that I can graduate. I need money. That's why I came to see my father.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, God will see you. But did you tell him that you're coming?
Yes, I called him already, but you know, the money is big. It's not something we can talk on phone. I need to come see him one-on-one.
I understand. It's okay. Let me go and get what my mom sent me. And I'll see you later in the day.
Alright, take care.
Take care of yourself. I've missed you.
Missed you more. Later.
Of course I'll come.
Alright. Later.
Okay.
Papa.
My son.
First and foremost, let me start by thanking you. It's not easy. Since my mother, your wife, died, you've been there for me. You've been taking care of me, and now I'm about to become a graduate. It's not easy. I must commend you. Thank you very much, Papa. Thanks for being there. This is the end tale of it. I need this money to become a graduate. So please, complete your health, Papa.
My son, it's good that you appreciate everything. But you have to stop thanking me. I am doing my job as a father. Huh? If I don't do it for you, to whom will I do it for? Huh?
Not every father does their job.
Well, it's my responsibility and I have to do it. How much are we talking about?
Papa, this money is big.
Now stop parabolating. We are prolonging the issue. Even if it is much, from all of what you said, I know the money is not small money, but how much is it?
Papa, the money is 400,000 naira.
400,000 naira. My son, I must tell you, that amount is big. And I don't have it with me now. But let me discuss with my elder brother. After that, I will see what I will do. You will graduate, that's no problem.
Thanks for giving me hope, Papa. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Trust me, I will make you proud. I will. I must make you proud.
This is a huge amount of money. How do you intend to go about this whole thing? And you know I don't have money.
I know, my brother. And the problem is already here. Waiting for us to solve it. I know you don't have money and I don't have. But I have a suggestion.
You have a suggestion?
Yes.
So what is the suggestion?
You know I've been telling you about our family land. This is a time for us to share that our land. So I can sell a portion of mine to solve my problem. I wouldn't like to bother anybody. How do you see it?
Dikeh, let me educate you because I know your plan. Your plan is for you to have your own share of the land, then you sell it. That is the plan. But let me educate you now. I will tell you the history of our family from our great-grandfather down here. You see, over on your boy, they did not sell land. I can move on. They did not sell land. Down to us. Rather, we acquire land into the family.
I know. beterotekwa na ndị be anyị sị ihe onye gboo ya mkpa ma ya agala ori. Amana m chọrọ ka nzu ohi wee gboo mkpa nka. Please, my brother, let us share our property. Let us share our land. I will just say one portion to solve my problem. You know, my son is in the final year in the school, and I need to give him money to sort himself out. And the buy is already waiting. Please, let us share it now.
Look, I'll think about it. No.
Thank you. But when am I expecting to hear from you?
Look, we're living under the same roof. By the time I think about it, I will definitely hear from you. You hear from me.
I know, but you know, anyway, it's all right. I've heard. It's okay.
Please give me my portion. That is all I ask. I only want to have what belongs to me. I want to see Mujo one more bara. I want to use what I have to get what I want. Please. This is first. He believes in future. If I never I am let us share the property, my brother. This is first. He believes in future. If I never I am I want this thing for no urgent reason. One member. This is first. He believes in future. If I never I am if I never one member. This is first. He believes in.
My brother, I really don't understand you.
Excuse me. What do you mean you don't understand me? What is difficult in what I have just explained to you that you don't understand? I have told you that my own plight. I thought about what you requested and I said no. The family we belong does not sell land. Neither do they share land. Is it not simple? I just want you to think about this and begin to sort yourself out by going elsewhere to look for money and solve your problem. Better still look for someone to borrow money and you solve your problem with it after you pay the person. You will solve your problem. That's what it means.
So, you want me to go and borrow money when I have things that will give me the money I wanted? My brother, please, let us go and share this land. Let me sell a portion of my own to sort out myself. You see, my son has been here for more than 1 year. You know he's in final year. Or do you want him to lose everything he has gotten in school? What do you want him to do?
Udoka. Just stop lamenting. I would have advised you to channel this strength you are using lamenting here to follow my advice. Look for somewhere for money and solve your problem. Or better still, ask any of your friends to borrow you money. Afterwards, you pay. Than spending all this time talking something that you know that it will not work. Please allow me to rest. The reason I'm seated here is because I want to rest. Yes.
So you want to rest? Since you don't want to respect yourself and do the needful, I know what to do. Go and rest. Ichie Pius, that is the reason I came to see you. You know, as the chairman of my Omunna, you have to do something before it escalates to something else. Onyema is pushing me to the wall. He's pushing me to the wall. But you know he's my brother. I can't do anything. Please, my chairman, I don't want to have problem with anybody. Please.
Udoka, you will not have any problem with anybody. As far as I've stepped into this very matter, I will call Umunna tomorrow, the executives. I will call them tomorrow. Then we have to discuss about it. You know, the issue of this, your family land sharing has been long, it has been lingering. The thing is that I will call them, we'll discuss and get back to you. Say in 2 days' time, you'll hear from us. That is it.
My chairman, that is why I always talk about you. You know, since you become the chairman of our community, things has been going well. Huh? It is all right. I will be waiting for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just in 2 days' time, you will hear from us. We'll get to you. But remember what we take. Yes, what the Umunna takes. Oh yes.
My chairman, I remember. So far as it is not bribe, I remember.
No, it's not bribe.
It is official thing, no problem. I understand. I remember. I will take care.
Okay.
I will be on my way.
Okay.
Thank you, my chairman. I will always count on you.
Chairman, please make me understand this.
What I want to tell you is that our executive Umunna held a meeting this early morning concerning about the sharing of your family land with you and your brother Udoka, and we have concluded that it will be done the next Eke Market Day, which is tomorrow.
But Chairman, am I not supposed to be in the meeting?
You don't have to argue about this, Onyemuche. The Umunna's decision is final, and you know what it takes. I have told your brother, you know what it takes. I have done a lot this early morning. I am tired. I want to go home. I want to go home and have rest. Please.
Chairman, before you go home and have rest, let's iron this thing once up.
I think I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
Chairman, you will
Muna
not
Kusigo. Ah! Neku.
So I don't have a right to say. Oh, okay, different me there, man. Muabu onye muche ka mmadụ chọrọ ime uche. But it will not happen. It will never happen. Never. Never. I see conspiracy. These people have conspired, trying to intimidate me to share my father's land. Oh, mama, of course it's not possible. It will never work. Oh, mama!
Nine. Are you not the one I'm talking to? Why are you yelling? Did you get into a fight with anybody?
No, nothing. I'm fine. Fine.
You're fine? Like this? Nah, you don't look fine to me. But if you say you are fine, okay. I was doing something inside before you came. You say you are fine, Nai. That reminds me. Nai, what about that land they were talking about sharing between you and your brother?
You know that my brother reported me to the chairman of Philmond.
Report?
The chairman of Umunna called me and was saying all sorts of rubbish in his mouth. Finally, he said that the Umunna have agreed that they are going to share the land between my brother and I, and that is final. And this, they held meeting at my back, and now telling me the conclusion of the meeting. They now made meeting at my back, concluded, and now telling me the end result of their meeting. Megan, of course you know me. It will never ever happen. under this planet Earth. Except they go to Venus or Pluto. That one will be a different ball game. As long as we are still breathing here under this surface of the Earth. Go for boss.
Nine. Are you trying to tell me that the reason you're yelling and boiling this much is because of the decision of your mother to share the land between you and your brother? Is that what you're saying? Hey, Nine. I am asking you because I am in support of them in this time. You see this decision? I am in support of it. Because this sharing of this land has lingered for a long time. Is it not better they share it now?
Were you the one asking me if the reason for my ranting is because of the sharing of the land? Or
No.
Oh, if you know what is good for you, quietly walk back inside that house and continue what you were doing. Because you remember the day you were born. Now go inside. I don't want to see you again.
Nine. What did I do, Kita?
You are still standing here. You are standing here. Don't let me to start. If I start, you will not like me. Abigail, go inside.
Nine. You can see.
Go inside.
Nine.
Go inside and don't let me lose.
Nine. You can say whatever you want to say. Oh. You can say whatever you like. Oh. All I know is that I'm in support of them sharing that land. I don't even know why you don't want to share that land. You're looking for stick for me. Hey!
Stand there and watch me kill you. I'm not fear. I don't want anybody to provoke me further. Chairman of Philmond. Because if you provoke me again, I am a boom mother. I am at the boiling point. I will explode. Any further provocation, a boom mother. And I'll forget that I killed. I seem to be very quiet all this while. But the mother won't come again. Only one mun chai auntie. I know here. Let me see how this will happen. Of course, I'm thinking.
My lord, has your father been able to raise the money?
Not yet, but he's working on something. You know, my father doesn't joke with my studies, so hopefully he will come up with something good.
I hope so too. My lord, I have a question to ask you. Can I?
Feel free.
Okay. You know, in this community, our love is no longer hidden. Everyone knows you are in a relationship. Just that we're waiting for the right time to do the right thing. But then I want to know, what next? What are your plans?
Baby, you just said it. We're waiting for the right time so we can do the ritual. That's it. Nothing will change that.
So you are telling me now that you will not just leave me at some point?
I should be the one asking you that question. I know women of these days. Once you see someone that has money now with fleet of cars, maybe 1 or 2 duplexes, you will start considering. I don't want to start hearing things like, baby, you know you can't take care of me. God will give you another good woman.
What's that? Have I ever said anything like that? Did I not see people buy cake to you?
So if they bring $10 million now, they choose between $10 million and this your love. Which one will you choose?
I will choose you.
1 million. Even me will tell you to choose the money.
It's a lie. It's a lie. You that cannot live without me. It's a lie.
They will take both of us. $10 million. We are going to...
Please give me my portion. That is all I ask. I only want to have what belongs to me. I want to see one more bara. I want to use what I have to get what I want. Please. This is first. He believes in future. If I am let us share the property, my brother.
Oh, my son. Are you back? Yes, so you are here. Where are you coming from?
I went to see Amarachi.
Oh, Amarachi. Yes, sir. How is she doing?
She's fine. Papa, I was meaning to ask, how was the meeting you had with your brother? Hope it went well.
Yes, my son, it went well. But we have a little problem. We had little disagreement over our discussion. But it will soon be sorted out.
Disagreement.
The fact is that he said he doesn't have money to help me with. I told him that we should share our family land so I can sell part of my portion to sort out myself. At first, he said he's going to think about it, but later disagreed entirely. But not to worry, I've actually reported the case to Omunna, and they have promised to come and share our land tomorrow.
Papa, why is that your brother like that? He does not behave like you. His own case is different. Ogunamba. If you're boring about my
oh yeah, I told him the same thing you are saying.
But even if they share the land now, do you have buyer? Because I'm running out of time.
Don't worry about that. Somebody is standing by. He's just waiting for me to say pay.
Because as it stands now, I'm already missing out in school. I'm missing things in school.
Just start getting ready. I am very sure before the week runs out, you will be going back to school.
Alright, Papa.
It's alright.
There is war in my family. And I want you to help me end this war at once. To me, it is rubbish. And that is why I am here, so that you will help me and end the war at once. To me, it is nonsense, so I want you to help me end the rubbish and nonsense at once.
Onye mucho onye nkem. What is the problem? Talk to me. You know, Ebiegu can do anything for you. I can do what is impossible to be possible for you. Talk to me.
Ebiegu. My brother is a big problem to me. Otuonye, Mano, he is more than a problem of 1,000 people to me. And that is why I have come as Onyenkem, so that you will help me to lock him down. He is moving around, doing all sorts of things to collect the only thing that I am proud of. The only thing that is left for me, because he thinks he is knowledgeable, more knowledgeable and more sensible. He wants to, in fact, he has even connived with a lot of people. And tomorrow they want to share the land. So, what I want you to do for me is to Udoka Iguani Nyakarikwana 6 feet. Iguani. Let him know his boundaries underneath. Kamara Mogemero's red. Biajuwe sana. That is all. Nyakarikwana 6 feet. Kamara Kosia Nengri Fediche Niru Enwe. Niru Onobo. Okukwako Hamnon.
Ama, the food is so delicious. Obina, I can see it. Reason you swore you must marry her.
Final bus stop now. She uses that one I know to cook.
No, really. Come and join.
Why not? My wife has already prepared mine. Enjoy. Obina, I'm sure your father has told you about tomorrow for the lunch sharing.
Of course, it's part of what we are celebrating.
Oh, Maka, no. Let me go inside. I'm tired.
Okay, you are going inside. Okay, I'm coming.
Because what you auditioned with. Do you know why I like her food? She uses Akwalanu.
Amara, don't listen to him now. Don't listen to him.
Look at what you auditioned with. If I marry you and you drop standard, I will catapult you back.
What's that? My mother
you must
taught
be
me
cooking like this, Tottenham.
Don't listen to him now.
Thank you, Baba. I trust you. At least you'll be here to defend me always. My mother taught me how to cook. What's that?
Tottenham.
At least you enjoyed it.
No, the Akwalanu is so sweet. Doctor, please. What is the situation of things?
I wouldn't know for now until when the lab result is out. Excuse me, Mr. M.
Quite excuse.
Take your portion, give me my own. Is it a cry? Where Kegi, Yamukimo, Abamu Kampuru, one more. Why are you like this, father? You want all my effort to be in vain after all this year.
Doctor, your daughter is Izuna. Doctor, your daughter is Izuna. If anything happens to my brother there in the hospital, what I will do to your daughter, even the devil will hate me.
Yeah. What did my daughter do to your brother? Because I don't understand you.
Is your daughter not inside this house? Call her out and ask her that stupid question. Or are you not aware that this your stupid daughter living inside that house brought food, a poisonous food to my brother, which he ate from, and the result is in the hospital? You're not aware that he was rushed at the hospital?
Your brother Udoka at the hospital.
Oh, you know that?
Poisonous food. Yeah. Amara! Amarachi! Come.
Oh, Izuna, have you seen the crocodile tears coming out from her eyes? That's how a smooth criminal operates. Find a booze a backward to cover up. You see this one?
Papa.
Amarachi, you are crying. What is happening to you?
Yesterday, I took food to Obina and his father. Because he told me that Choma, his cousin's sister, went to a maternal home to see her grandmother. And that she won't be back till tomorrow. So I took food to them so they won't have to bother his uncle's wife for food. Papa, I even ate the food with them. Then this morning, Obina called me that his father has been rushed to the hospital. Then I rushed to the hospital to see his father. Then this man here started abusing me. He accused me of poisoning the food.
Hey, Olisado. Thank goodness that she accepted the fact that she brought a poisonous food to the house, which my brother ate from. Izuna, let me tell you, my brother was bubbling fine, okay, like he always bubbled, until this your evil and devilish daughter brought a poisonous food for them to eat as a good Samaritan Obono. After eating this food, my brother, everything changed. Things fell apart. The center that was supposed to hold ab initio was in the hospital, where my brother is lying fallow.
I've heard you. Just go. I want to have a word with my daughter. Nothing will happen to your brother. Just
hey, Izuna, you should go. This case is not a matter of go. Let me have a word with my daughter. Oburu, anything happens to my brother, there in the hospital, Obuno Kubie, you will leave.
Onyemucha said go now. Nothing will happen to your brother. Udoka. Nothing will happen to him. I will talk to my daughter. I will have a word with my daughter. Go.
My brother could be in a hospital. You will leave township.
Just go. I want you to get me your brother. Oman Kubi. Oman Kubi, go.
As a pastor.
I want to talk to my daughter. Amarachi. I called you in the presence of your mother here to talk to you. See, this man Onyemuche left here. And you heard everything he said. You heard everything he said. So I decided to allow you to rest. So that you can think about this hotel and tell your mother and I the truth.
No, I don't understand you. I just don't understand you. Which one is so that you tell your mother and I the truth, tell your father and I the truth? I don't understand. So you don't trust your daughter? So any idiot can walk into this compound and claim your daughter did anything or even committed murder and you believe? Really?
Wait. See, I know the reason you are saying all these things is because you were not here and had all the nonsense this man vomited here. And besides, I am doing what I'm supposed to do as a father. So that I will know how to protect our daughter. What is wrong in what I'm doing? I just ask her a question. I'm only trying to protect my daughter. I'm only trying to be a good father. Amarachi, Papa. Did you poison Udoka and Obina's food? You heard what the man said.
Nah, that man is so lucky I didn't meet him here. He is very, very lucky I didn't meet him here vomiting that rubbish. I would have dealt with him. I would have dealt with him seriously.
Papa, I did not do anything. I didn't poison their food.
Okay.
Why would I want to kill the father of my husband to be? Why? Where did I learn that from? Papa, you know what? Let him bring any oath. I am ready to swear to it.
My daughter, you're not swearing to any oath. I, your mother, believe you. If he doesn't want to believe you, fine. You're not taking any oath. You should take that case to anywhere.
Amarachi, listen to me. From now henceforth, I don't want you to take anything, food or whatever, to Obinna and his father again. In fact, I want you to stop whatever you have to do with Obinna. In fact, stop seeing him. I don't want you to go to his house. I don't want you to have anything to do with Obinna again.
Papa, if you say I shouldn't take food to Obinna, that's fine. I've even made up my mind. I will never ever take food there ever again.
Fine.
But
Good.
asking me to stop seeing him, Papa, that I will not do. I'm sorry.
Amarachi. Amarachi. Did you hear your daughter?
I heard her now.
You heard her?
You heard her? Naya, I'll suggest we finish the case at hand first. Let's finish the case about the poisoned food.
In other words, I'm not making any sense.
That's not what I'm saying. Let's finish about this case before you start bringing up going to see Obinna or stop seeing Obinna.
Yeah. Mercy. And you bribe. Did Obinna and Amarachi bribe you?
I'm only stating the obvious now.
I don't blame you because of your fishy brain. You don't reason like a normal human being again. Don't worry. I am watching. I am watching. It's okay. I'm watching. I am watching. You know when I get an abokota, this you couldn't get you a buya. Okay. No problem.
Obinna, my son.
Papa, thank God you are awake. Let me call the doctor.
No, Obinna, no. Please, call Amarachi and the Chiapayos for me. I want to tell them something.
I should ask them to come.
Yes.
Why would Obinna's father ask me to come to the hospital that he wants to talk to me? What's going on?
Amarachi.
Papa?
What's happening to you? Why are you looking so confused?
Obinna just called me. He told me that his father wants me to come to the hospital, that he wants to talk to me.
Obinna asked you to come to the hospital that his father sent for you, that
Yes,
he wants to
Papa.
talk to you.
Yes, Papa.
It's okay. It's okay. I will go with you. I want to know what is it. I will go with you.
Okay, Papa.
Just wait me. I'm coming.
Papa, the people you sent for are here.
It's your parents.
Anna. Your daughter.
The reason I sent for you is to plead with you to take care of my son Obinna. If anything happens to me, take him like your son. Teach him everything that he needs to know. Please, don't ever allow him to be deceived by anybody.
Yeah, no, look, nothing will happen to you. Oh, no.
I know, but I want to go and rest. I'm tired. don't mind my brother. The allegation he leveled against you is all false. Amarachi, please don't leave Obinna alone. Always be by his side. Stay always by his side. No matter what happens, don't leave him alone. No matter the circumstances.
Of course, I promise you, I will never leave him. He's mine. We'll be together forever. Just get better, okay?
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you.
Udoka, like I said before, nothing is going to happen to you. But please, tell us what's happened to you. Who did this to you?
It's Chepayos.
No.
The person who is behind what is happening to me is mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
Udoka! Doctor! Udoka! Doctor! Doctor! Call doctor, please. Call doctor. Call doctor.
Please, where is the doctor?
Obinna, your father just died 2 days ago. What is your next plan? Or do you have enough money to be spending on that mortuary issue?
No, sir. I will bury my father on a low first. Then when I have money, I can now give him a befitting burial. But for now, I need to rush back to school, sort myself, and complete my studies.
I think I agree with you. Huh? But what of sharing of that your family land?
Uncle, that land sharing has to stop. Yes. It's on hold. Because how my father died is suspicious. Yes. I don't know where this is coming from, so that land sharing is on hold.
Okay. How much do you want to spend on that your school issue?
400,000.
400,000? Okay. I will give you 200,000.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. That's nice. Thank you very much, sir.
No, don't worry.
I really appreciate this.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Huh? But make sure you run around to get the remaining 200,000.
Of course, he just divided the problem into two. I must complete the rest. Thank you, sir.
Your dad was close to me, so I can never disappoint you. Whatever you want
Uncle Kanna, that's what you are. Uncle Kanna. Thank you, sir. Thank you,
sir.
Obinna, I don't understand what you're talking about.
The one Uncle Pius gave to me, so that I can go back to school and do the needful. You know I'm in my final year. I'm already missing a lot.
You see why I say that children of nowadays don't have brain. What they have is fish brain. Your father died talking about the issue of land sharing so we can make money to solve our problems, forgetting that we do not sell our land, rather we acquire. And then you are coming up with the same pattern of raising this same issue again with you. That's what you want me to start talking now. How to raise money to put you in school. Okay? Well, what I want to let you know is that since Ichie Pius gave you some money, I would rather suggest you use it for something better than going to school and start creating hypertension for yourself.
Uncle, I should abandon my studies. I mean, I don't understand. I'm in my final year.
Oh, you don't understand what I'm saying. Which one is it? Is it that you don't understand? The advising part of it or the issue of selling land? I have just said, Since Pius gave you some little amount of money according to you, use it and pay for the boy. You can learn carpentry work with a welder or you buy some sachet of pure water in bags. People are making money selling pure water.
You want me to learn carpentry work? Have you asked whether it is in line with my destiny? Uncle, I'm in my finals, and you're saying I should abandon all the years I spent in school and go and start learning carpenter. I won't.
You won't?
I won't do any of those things.
Okay.
I won't. I must graduate.
You see? Heaven will bear me witness that I've given you the best of advice I can give to you as an uncle. I won't sit here listening to you. Undergraduate. You think I'm very stupid? Eh? You know what I'm about undergraduate. Don't remind me again that I don't train my children in the university. Eh? Now you are undergraduate. Don't provoke me further again.
I overheard what we are discussing with my husband. Don't mind him. Wait now. Wait now. Wait. Don't mind my husband. You need to go back to the university and finish your studies. You know?
Thank you.
Yeah. I don't have much, but just manage it or add it to the one that Uncle Pius already gave you. Anything it can do for you. Huh? But you have to finish your studies.
God bless you.
Thank you.
I really appreciate this.
Thank you. One. Nine hours kwa wicked. It's not so wicked. This all this now. Oh, don't finish this university.
My love, how are you? How is school? You're almost done? Oh my God, graduation is next week. Congratulations! I am so happy for you. How about your project? See who is talking. Graduates. My friends are fine. They are okay. I'm also doing great. I'm washing my clothes. No, I'm about to start washing. When I finish, then I will prepare lunch. It's alright. Don't worry, I'll call you in the evening, okay? Take care of yourself. And I love you too. Bye.
Taking a portion, give me my own. Is it a crime? We're renkedi, yamunkimo. Abalu kampu, one more.
My love, now that you're done with school and you're also done with your youth service, I want to ask you, what next?
Well, hustling continues. I'll go to the city. With my CV, I believe I can get a job. God will make a way.
Job? In this hard economy? In this country that we are in? Ha! There's no job anywhere, trust me on that. No job anywhere. Even those people that are working, they are looking for a way to even run out of.
Brother, you must your.
Oh.
Brother, you must your.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Choma, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you, Auntie. Then you can continue with what I was doing.
It's okay. This your cousin is looking more beautiful. I wish my brother would just come back from abroad and marry her.
It's wrong to choose a woman for a man. Who knows? Your brother might be married to 2 women with 8 kids and you're here.
2 women, 8 kids.
Please, let's go back to what we were saying.
Yes.
I will go to the city, look for a job, find one, and off my life from
And
there.
like I said, there is no job anywhere. Trust me. Those people that are working, they are not even being paid well.
So what do you suggest I do?
As an Igbo man that you are business. Yes. I suggest you start up a business. And I know, little by little, you will now make it big.
You're making sense. So after spending like 5 years in the university, I'll go and spend another 5 years learning trade or starting business. How old will I be when I will make the money? Please. Okay, even at that, how do we raise cash to start business?
That's true.
It's capital intensive.
Come to think of it, I think this is the right time to ask your uncle to share the family land. Yes. That way you can sell one of your own and start up a business with it. What do you think?
Nice idea. I will work towards that direction. Yes, so they should sell the land, give me my own share.
Yes. But you have to do it as quickly as possible.
I'll talk to them.
Okay, open it for me.
What do you stand to gain in wickedness? Remember, nobody knows tomorrow. So everyone
for you to be asking me that nonsense question. Don't ever ask me that question again.
Must you get angry each time I talk about this land sharing?
Oh, you're asking me that? I want to warn you for the last time. Don't ever talk about land sharing again. If you do, I promise you will not live to see the next day. What do you know about the land? You know about land sharing.
Are you intimidating me? Oh, uncle, are you indirectly telling me that you have a hand in my father's sudden death? Eh? Watch what you say, because it's suspicious.
Oh, Binna. If what I have said is suspicious, Borum police, call police for me. Or better still, take me to court. Kamazelo nyege win. I'm gabana prison.
No problem. I will not do either of them. And let me tell you, you see that land? I will never talk about it again. Take all of them, enjoy, yes. When I'm ready for those lands, I will come. But let me tell you, you see, no matter how you try, no matter what you do, my head is too strong for you.
Come on, get out of here.
When I'm ready for those lands.
Get out of here and of here. And my cheese adaka. Even Nebu is Mong. Look at one bunch here talking about head. When I am ready for you, I will squash you down. Okay? Obina, because you're not a graduate, you want to challenge me. But don't worry. I'll give you all my time to think about it. I'm off here. You see God, your name? If you will be Sadaka. You see Morgan, one way be some Mong.
So you mean Onyemucheya said all that to you?
Yes. He threatened me. He said I should be careful. I should stop talking about that land. Else, what happened to my father will happen to me. What does that mean? That means he knows what killed my father.
Okay. You know what? I will call Omunna to come and share that land. Whether Onyema likes it or not.
Uncle, no. That's not what I want. To him, that land is everything now. To me, it's not everything, okay? Let him enjoy.
Then so, what are you going to do? Since you don't have money, and your uncle, Onyema, deprived you the only hope you have to raise money.
Uncle, I'm broke, fine and good, but that selling those land is not my only hope. I'm a man. Look at my hands now. They are intact. Look at my legs. They are intact. If I waste like this, that means my 4 or 5 years in the university is wasted years. God will make a way. I will travel and struggle and survive. Straight up.
That's my son. I like your courage, Onna.
Thank you.
Ina bata. Come out with something.
Uncle, God will make a way. I just said let me come and tell you what's going on, and at the same time tell you that any moment from now I'll be leaving this village. As for that, my useless uncle, time shall tell.
Hey! Why would he say a thing like that? My love, you see what I'm telling you? Anytime I see that man, the only thing I see is evil. Evil is written all around him. Ha! For him to say something like that, it definitely means he has a hand in your father's death.
You are not far from the truth, my love. But you see those land, I've decided to let go. Yes, when the time is right, I will definitely come back for them.
Ha! My love, hope you're not planning to do something stupid though, because me, I will not support you. Like you rightly said, you've decided to leave those lands for now, so it's better. Perhaps maybe some other time, you know.
Listen, all my mates that made it in life, I'm not sure they all sold their father's land or their own land. So God will make a way, don't worry.
See why I trust you. I know that you'll be able to make it in life. My love, my mom sent me to get something for her. Let me quickly rush and take it back to her.
Okay.
I'll see you in the evening.
Be careful, okay?
I will. Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye. Be careful, oh. Don't quarrel, oh.
What do you stand to gain in wickedness? Remember, nobody knows tomorrow. Ebenakira inugo mandemo. Iwegidiaku najua. Remember, we are flesh and blood. Ofo barano folili kanagawa. Odirebu matata. Odigwara gimma. My problem.
Well, you said you wanted to see me.
I want to see you. But you don't expect me to start talking to you while you are standing. Sit down, Ola, so you can hear me well. This seat is for you.
So, what is it?
Nai, I overheard you quarreling with Obinna in the afternoon over the family land and its sharing. So, I decided to ask you, why don't you want to share the family land so that Obinna can take his own portion and do whatever he wants to do with it? Remember that it was in the process of this sharing of the family land that the father died. Even if it is because of that fact, why don't you share this land so that you will have peace in this house?
I don't want to shout because of this people inside here. Enough of this. I don't want to hear anything concerning sharing of this family land again. If you want me not to give you a very dirty slap, what do you know about land sharing? In your village, do women talk about land issues?
Nah, what is it, Sam? What is it? What is wrong with you? Nah, why are you so wicked and heartless? What is wrong with you? Eh? Okay, this boy Obinna came to you and requested you help him with money so that he can start his own business. Now you refuse giving him money, saying that you don't have money. But me, Abigail, I know that you have money enough to give to him. Because of you refuse to give that boy money. Now, he wants you to share the family land so that he can sell his own and use the money and better his life. You still refuse. Now, why are you like this? What do you want this boy to do? Do you want him to join bad gang?
Who cares?
Join armed robbery?
Shut up! Eh? Who cares if he joined non-gunmen or non-gunmen? Nowadays, they don't even cover their face. It is non-gunmen. If he chooses any of this group to enter, I don't care about anything he chooses to enter.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You don't care? Okay. What if he joins these bad big boys? Non-gunmen or non-gunmen and starts with you? Now you manage a dead man.
Abigail. So the picture is coming fully. So you are now conniving with Obinna, to kill me in my own house.
Or see my own house. Now a point of correction. This house does not belong to you. This house belongs to Udoka. Udoka built this house single-handedly. When they were building this house, now did you even contribute ordinary 1 barrel of sand? Or like this? Did you spend any money here when they were building this house? And now you're calling it your house. It's not your house. It's Udoka's house. Stop calling it your house. Or say my house.
Now I get it. You are just jealous. Nambu Diopara. Is that why you're jealous?
Okay. Now you should be ashamed of yourself for saying the thing. You are Diopara Echizaga Kanakuruta. Because you are Diopara Echizaga Kanakuruta that you cannot make money or do something meaningful in this family. Eh? No, I see. I am warning you. Don't say that Abigail did not warn you. Nah, tomorrow is pregnant. No one knows what is going to give birth to. Tomorrow is... Don't say I did not warn you. Don't say I did not warn you now.
Big girl. Like I said, I want to maintain peace. I know what I would have done to you. I am the highest fool to come out that place and sit here with you, listening to your nonsense you're vomiting. But I take it. I am an idiot. I take it for coming out here to listen to you. But in case
Nah, I'm talking to you now and you're walking out on me. You're walking out on me. Hey. Don't say I did not warn you. Okay. I'll be girl. Don't say I did not warn you. What are men this stubborn? You are wicked, you're stubborn, you're useless. Don't put your house in front of me.
My guy, see, you know my last hope like this. I don't tire for this village. I don't tire, I just the waste for here. In the morning, I kokoronko. At night, now, ooh. Now, I don't master the whole sound for this bush. I beg. I feel manage. I make I come out for this village first. I feel cope. See, I feel they sleep for car. Now you my last hope. I beg, no don me. You know go well now. Why graduate go to village? I beg, may I fall out first. No, they feed me. I go feed myself. God will make a way. I beg. Make I come. Hey, thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, my guy. And God will bless you. You don't know what you do for me. You just revived my life now. Thank you. Tomorrow I go just tell my people. Next tomorrow I did there. Hello, Mama. Thank you very much. Thank you.
But your food is here.
I'm not interested. Take it away.
Why now?
Is it my first to eat? I said I'm not interested. I'm not hungry. Take it away.
What do be now? Ever since I overheard you yesterday quarreling with my father, you've been acting up. Now you're rejecting my food too.
Thank God you overheard me quarreling with your father. Hope you heard when he said he will kill me the way he killed my father. So if you were to be me, will you still eat anything from that angle?
Including me, brother, eh?
No, excluding you. But I'm not hungry.
Brother, are you suspecting me?
Since your father said that thing, everybody became suspects. Everybody is now a suspect. Please.
No.
Okay, excluding you. Drop it on my table, I'll eat later.
What you stand to gain in wickedness? Remember, nobody knows tomorrow. Ebenakira inugo one more. Iwe gidiaku najua. Remember, we are flesh and blood. For barano, for lily kanakawa. Odire matata, odiwaragima. My problem should be your problem, one day more. My success should be your success, one day more.
My mom, how are you? Fine. Sorry I kept you, I was using the sound.
It's okay.
So,
I'm okay. My love, this one you've been bombarding my phone. What's the problem?
There is new development.
Okay.
I called one of my friends in the city and told him my condition here. He said I should start coming. He's willing to help. Yes. He even said I should come tomorrow, but I said no. I need one more day to talk to the love of my life. That means I will be traveling to the city next tomorrow. Final.
Your trip to the city is quite sudden. But it's a welcome development. Know that you are going to the city, you are going for the both of us. And I will be in this village for the both of us.
Of course, keep yourself up.
Of course, why not? And I'll be praying for you. Hey, my love, how about transport?
I have some money with me. I will use my last card. When I get to the city, God will make a way.
God will make a way. Manna will fall from heaven. I love you. Don't used to think forward at times. Don't worry. Tomorrow, I'll bring some money for you so that you add to the one you have. At least for your upkeep now. At least as a man, you need to do 1 or 2 for yourself.
You see why it's you. You see why it's you.
Come here. Stop teasing me.
Thank you very much. Right.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yeah?
It's okay. Don't worry. Everything will be fine, okay? And I'll be praying for you every day.
I believe God. Keep yourself for...
Who else will I now go and meet in the first place?
Obai, no papaya. Obai. Obai. I have heard all you have just said. But I have to tell you the truth. You cannot do this kind of business I'm doing. Because this business requires cash. Even as I'm doing it, I know how I'm managing. I don't have enough capital. But God is helping me. But Obai, all hope is not lost. I will connect you to one of my friends that is based in China.
China?
China.
Wow.
And he has been helping people. In fact, he can never see me and change. I'll get home one way.
Please, but this your friend that you are talking about in China, what does he do for a living?
He does all kind of business. He does all kind of business.
All kinds of business without name.
Now by cool down. Have you fed a motor man a motor? He was a guy. Not the same. I will call him tomorrow and he will do something. How about that your baby? By a childhood lover now. What's that her name?
Amarachi.
Amarachi.
Ami, my love. She's there now. We're still together.
For real?
Yeah, she's not a teacher herself.
How many years now?
We're together. That's my love now.
How many kids do you guys have now?
Kids, what? No, I've not even touched her. She's still a virgin.
So by Kayla was on what I can't we have not even touched her. She's still a virgin. Give one. I'm on Gangam. I can't believe that.
No, now you have to plan before making babies. I used to see the advert on TV. That small concom of baby milk is 19.8 per one. So who will feed the baby? So, when I'm balanced in life, when I can take care of kids, they can start coming. When the baby no go cry past
I can agree with you now. I can agree with who can I told you. His place is not be here. Obai, you know one thing I like about you? You are very, very organized. And with this spirit, you must surely make it. I believe someday, sometime, you say it's a question of time, you make it.
Thank you very much.
Just, I will call my friend.
Well, happy birthday na moto by moto. Let's drink first.
Hey, man, no papaya. Yes, so thank you so much, my man. I know you won't disappoint me. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will tell him. In fact, he's sitting beside me here now. No, he's a nice guy. I told you before now, he's a nice guy. I have known him for years. He can never disappoint us. No, he won't. Thank you so much. Now, Nigeria, we are managing. We are managing. God will help us. We'll survive. How is China? Okay, I'll call you. God bless you. Thank you. Confirm.
Eh?
You're going to China.
I'm traveling.
Oh, but you're going to China.
Wow! This is good news. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wow. Yes.
See what we're going to do now. You're my friend and a brother. I will help you doing the international passport, visa. I'll arrange it for you. Anything that has to do with paperwork concerning this traveling, I'll take care of the bill. But flight ticket and your PTA, you have to run around and look for how to take care of that one. I'll give my mom to know when I won't kill myself.
Flight ticket and PTA. Please, how much is the flight ticket and PTA?
From the look of things, is within 3.8 million. In fact, let's call it 4 million naira to avoid mistakes. So that is we are having problem.
4 million naira for flight ticket and PTA. Don't worry, I will run around and raise the money. Yes, I know what to do. Nothing will stop me from traveling. Once again, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Uncle, I don't understand what you're saying.
I said I bought those lands with my hard-earned money, and over my dead body will I share with any soul living here under the earth. Not even you.
Lies.
More lies.
Uncle, you are lying. You are lying, yes, because had it been you bought those lands with your money as you claim, why were you about sharing it with my late father before he died?
Because your late father was my brother and we loved ourselves very, very well. That's why I didn't bother. The whole world knows that your father loved me and I love your father. Yes!
You might end up deceiving my father and killing him. Fine and good, but not me.
Me?
Did you hear that? I know you killed my father. But listen, you know normally I will come and talk and go. Today I'm not here to talk and go. It's either you sell those lands and give me my own share so that I will sell them and use the money the way I did fit, or I will shock you today.
I am electric shocker myself.
Okay.
I have been looking for who to shock. So start now.
I will show you the other side of me.
You cannot do anything. Now you are accusing me of killing your father.
Talk to him, oh.
The Igwe must hear this evening.
Talk to him.
Don't touch me. I am boiling. I am at the boiling point. I will explode now.
Mother, please. I don't like what you're doing to Obi now. It is a very simple thing. Share those lands, give Obina his portion, let him sell the land and do whatever I also do with this money. That's all. Just that.
I will bury you in that land.
Papa now. Papa, why are you doing this? Eh? Why are you doing this?
I will bury you in that land. Your time is reading. Your time is reading. Your time is...
He's accusing me.
Why do you allow Satan to use you?
Amarachi, come, there is problem. Amarachi, nobody's after me. There is problem.
What problem?
Obina is fighting with his uncle. Obina wants to kill his uncle.
Are you okay?
I was just passing by when I saw them now.
Last time I checked, it's not you. Huh? Please, I'm not in the... You and I know Obina is in the city. What are you talking about?
Amarachi, I'm not joking now. I'm not joking. Obina came back a few hours ago. Yes.
My Obina.
Oh, Amarachi, stop talking first. Stop.
You saw Obina?
Oh. Amarachi, Obina is back. Yes. Yes.
Hey, wait for me.
Go.
Why do you allow Satan to use you?
Let's go. Let's go to the land. Let's go to the land. You will kill somebody.
I want to use what I have to get what I want. Please is first. He believes in future. If I never I am let us share the property, my brother. This is first. He believes in future. If I never I am I want this thing. An urgent reason. This is first. He believes in future.
So you mean you went to the city and all the things you just told me now happened, and the only thing that came into your mind was to rush back to this village to start chasing your uncle around with a machete? What were you even thinking? What if you had killed him? What if I didn't rush here to even stop you? Remember, you didn't even tell me that you're back from the city in the first place. So your only plan now is to kill somebody, then go to prison and leave me in the middle of nowhere, right? Is that your plan?
I'm sorry, my love, I'm sorry, but that man is... My uncle is annoying. He's bent on destroying my future. He doesn't want to see me shine.
You and I both agreed that your uncle is evil. And we agreed that you will leave him alone for now. So what is this?
Why can't he just do the needful? Share the land. Give me my portion. You see that man? No problem. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
My love. So you want to kill me? You want to just end my life like this, right? Is that your plan?
Why won't this man share this land? Give me my portion. Let me sell it and use the money the way I want. I'm not a baby. He killed my father. I know he killed him because of this same land.
I agree. We both know that. But can you prove it? You can't. So what is this? So your only plan now is to frustrate me, right? Is that your plan?
I'm sorry.
My love, listen.
No, I'm frustrated.
No, stop saying things like this. You can't be frustrated. In as much as you have life. Come on. Anyway, that's past. The ticket money you are talking about, the flight ticket, how much is it?
Roughly 4 million.
Eh?
I'm looking for 3.8 to 4 million naira.
Hey!
Yes.
Chimo.
Minus my flight ticket, I need to have some cash at hand. You see why I'm bent on selling that land? You see why I need money? So this man is frustrating my future. You see the problem now? I need to sell my own portion and raise money for...
Life is not made of roses. No one can change the hand of God. Nobody can change God's plans.
Ami, what are you doing outside by this time of the night? Eh?
Mama, it's nothing. I just wanted a little fresh air. That's why I'm here.
Oh, see, fresh air? In this cold weather?
Mama, your body is different from mine.
Are you sure you're okay? Are you sick?
Mama, I'm not sick. I'm fine. I just wanted fresh air. That's all.
Are you sure?
Mama, everything is okay.
Okay. After taking your fresh air, you come inside and sleep. I'm going in. I'm going
it's okay,
to bed.
Mama. Good night, Mama.
Good night.
Life is not made of roses. No one can change the hand of God. can change God's plans.
Well, please lend me your phone. I need to call the owner of my school. I have something important to tell her.
What happened to your own phone?
Papa, I don't have credit.
You don't have credit? Amarachi.
Papa.
Wait, let me check. You know if I have enough credit before you waste it for me.
Papa, is it that you used to talk low for 1 minute? You will drag it.
Yeah.
I can see it.
Look at it.
Papa,
I don't have a month.
Papa, I know, I can see it. It's just 1 minute I want to use. Calm down.
1 minute?
Papa, 1 minute.
I'm giving you 20 seconds.
Papa, allow me die first before you start counting.
Hey.
This number is not connecting. It's just doing call feed.
Maybe it's network. Keep on trying.
What's happening? I think the network is actually very bad. Oh, and it was really important. Anyway, Papa, take your phone. It's not connecting. Maybe I'll try it later.
Let me check because I don't trust.
Papa, I didn't use it. Let me rush to Adaku's house and see her. Papa, I'm going to Adaku's house. See you later.
You are going to Adaku's house? Make sure you come back quick so that to prepare lunch.
Papa, what happened to your wife?
Huh?
Papa, I heard you.
Amarachi.
Papa, I heard you.
I am talking of my food and she's talking of my wife. It's okay.
Paul, please. I need you to do this. And I know you can do it perfectly well.
What you're asking me to do is hard, though.
Come on now.
It's really hard.
It's something you can do for me.
It's fine, I'll do it. I'll do it as long as it's not going to cast.
No, don't worry. I have everything planned out. Nothing is going to go wrong. Do you understand me? Nothing is going to go wrong. Besides, you're not even from our community. Do you know how long it took me to get here? So calm down, relax. I have all my bases covered, okay?
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So, babe, what's my reward?
3%.
Huh?
Yes, now.
3%? What are you talking about? Do you know the implication of what you're asking me to do? Babe, this is a big risk. How far? What's up? You know what, babe? Just make it 5%. Just 5.
Fine, no problem. But make sure you come this evening.
Sure, I will. Okay?
It's okay. It's not made of roses. I did you wanaka.
Okay.
No one can change the hand of God. Nobody can change God's plans.
Oh, good day, sir.
You're welcome, my son.
Yes.
Please, who are you and what can I do for you?
Sir, my name is Paul from Umuako.
Umuako?
Yes.
Here, our neighboring community?
Yes, sir. I reside in Malaysia with your son, Pascal.
Hey, Kusugona, you reside in Malaysia with my son, Pascal? Come and sit down. Amarachi! Come, we have a big visitor. Come. Hey.
Good day, sir.
Oh, thank you so much.
Please, go and get me a cola. We have a big visitor.
No, sir. There won't be any need for that because the reason I'm here doesn't deserve me taking cola.
Not even water?
No, not at all.
The reason you're here doesn't deserve you taking even water.
Yes, sir.
I hope all is well.
Yes, sir. All is well. All is well, sir. Like I said earlier, my name is Paul, I'm from Umuako.
You said that before now.
Yes, I reside in Malaysia with your son Pascal.
Really? My brother Pascal?
Yes, I came into this village searching for you and someone directed me to this place. Thank goodness I have met you in person. Yes, sir, I'm afraid there's a problem.
Problem?
Yes. You see, your son Pascal is in a big problem over there in Malaysia. A serious problem, and if nothing is done, it's going to land him in prison. And it's going to end him in 21 years imprisonment.
21 years?
Yes.
Hey! My brother Pascal, 21 years imprisonment. Hey!
Wait. What did my son Pascal did? What was his offense?
Sir, you see, Pascal did a very good business that earned him over 500 million naira in our currency.
500 million? 500 million what?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey. But you see, he cannot touch that money now because he's currently in police custody. Yes, he committed a crime and right now we need to get him out of that mess. We need money. If he doesn't go out of that mess right now, I'm afraid, sir, like I said earlier, it's going to land him in prison because matter will go to court and I don't see him winning. He's going to be serving the 21-year jail term. You see, my friends and I over there rallied round to get some money, but what we gathered was not enough to get him out of the mess. So right now we're looking for 4 million naira. And sir, we have just between now as I speak and a week. If nothing is done, I'm afraid that young man is going to be in prison. He'll be serving a 21-year jail term in prison. I'm really scared.
4 million naira. Where are we going to get 4 million naira? How are we going to raise that kind of money? Hey!
Wait, I am telling you. Wait, you said you needed 4 million naira to give to the police to release my son.
Exactly.
And my son did business worth of 500 and something million.
Exactly, but he can't touch it except he's out.
500 and something million.
You just need to get him out.
4 million. I'm not showing 500.
But what are you doing now? What is this? What are you doing this now?
I am doing calculation. Let me do business.
Calculation for what? Your son is soon entered prison. 21 years and you're here doing calculation. Papa, please don't do this job.
Don't worry.
Hey.
Okay, no problem. Nah, I have had you. I will send for you. When are you going back to Malaysia?
I came back because of this case, and once I get the money now, I'll be in the next available flight to Malaysia.
Just give me your number.
No, Papa, don't worry. I will collect his number.
Okay. Wait. Let's you said my son kept 500 million somewhere.
Papa will collect his number.
Bring your phone and collect his number.
It's fine. Sir,
500 million. Then you are looking for 4 million.
Just 4 million naira.
And after that, my son will go and bring out that 500 million.
Definitely. Sir, I am in my car.
No problem. No problem.
Papa, what are you even doing? Call brother and ask him what is happening.
Even if we call him, how are we even sure he's going to pick? The messenger said he's already in the police station now. Eh?
There's a problem here.
What is the problem?
I can't find his number in my phone.
Ha! Papa, what do you mean you can't find the number?
Look at it, the number is no longer here.
How did the number suddenly disappear from your phone? Hi! Papa, you see what I've been saying?
Wait.
When they will tell you to buy a good phone, you will not buy a good phone, you'll be managing money. Look at it now. Now that something important has come up, we cannot even find his number. So what do we do now? Go to P, you're not seeing Papa.
Now you check, we're going to know now.
Look at it, I'm already, look at it.
Papa, wait.
Look at this is the last beer, look at it.
Papa, can I suggest something? I think with this little time you are using to even waste and call Brother Pascal. Use it to run around. Sell one of our lands. Let's make money and give to this man so they can quickly go and save brother from the police cell. Else they'll take him to court. And if they take him to court, you know what that means? He will go to prison. Papa, 21 years in prison is not 21 days old. I hope you are aware.
Now you have to do something real quick. You just have to do something. I don't want my son to go to prison, but there you go.
Papa, remember what that man said? He said that the business that brother did, he realized $312,000 from the business, and that money is very intact. Nothing has touched it. But brother, he cannot access the money if he does not come out from cell. Papa, please, let's do something. At least we know that when he comes out, the money is somewhere, and we can replace whatever you sold or something. Papa, please, let's just do this instead of sitting here. Pressing your phone from now till next day will not change anything.
How can I sell my land?
Hi! How can you sell your land?
Papa, how will you sit down? They will call you a killer and you feed your own.
Don't worry. Before the number is, I will find it. The number is, I will still find it.
Papa, leave number now. Me, I don't want my brother to die.
What if you don't see the number?
If it's not made of roses, I did you wanaka, my child. No one can change the hand of God. Nobody can change God's plans. Wabi to Baba, Afufa Baba, Saga Kakabu, Wabi to Baba, Afufa Baba, Saga Kakabu, Wabi to Baba, Afufa Baba.
Now you are doing a very big, wonderful work here.
This one come looking for me. Huh? This one come looking for me.
I went to your house. I went to your house. Your wife told me that you are in your site.
Oh yes, you see what I'm handling here.
It's a very good. It's a very big job. You are right. Chief Marvelous. I came in respect of that land. That my land you asked me some time ago to say to you, which I said, which I refused. That's why I'm here, please. I want to sell the land now.
But you said you won't sell it. Huh? That time you said you won't sell it.
But I said I want to sell it now. I have a very big problem. It's between life and death. Please.
Well, if that is so, how much is the land now?
Chief Marvelous, why are you going backward again? Some time ago, you know how much you priced that land. Why are you bringing the issue again? Give me exactly the amount you price it. I'm ready to sell it.
But you said that time you won't sell. I used that money to sink into this project I'm handling here. You see, it's a massive project from that building to this one. The whole money, I sink it into here. So what I can do for you now as a good friend, I will pay 4.2 million for that land because of our relationship.
4.2 million?
Yes.
C'est marvelous. 4.2 million. That massive land, that very big land that is up to 1.5 acres, you are pricing to 4.2 million.
4.2 million.
Why are you? Why you like? You are trying to make him to look at you as somebody that is bleeding. Okay, no problem. I have to go to the law cost wedding. Name 5 million. I will manage it. 5 million.
Izuna, the best I can do for you because of our relationship is to give you 4.5 million, and that's all. I have used the other money and sink it into this project. I don't have money again. But because he said it's a thing of life and death, if the land is not involved, I can still help you. And so take that.
Marvelous, why are you like this? Huh? Is it because you know the worth of that land? You know that land is up to 50 million.
What is the what? 4.5 million. And I told you Nago.
It's okay. No problem. Are you giving me the money now?
You have to come in the evening. If you come earlier, you will see me here. If not, I will be in my house because I'm still waiting for the contractor to point out some mistakes in this building. He has to handle. If you come early, you will see me here. If not, to the house is the best.
No problem. If I go to your house and I do not see you, I will come here and see you. Yes. Because all this guy has no certificate. No problem. You will see me say in the evening.
In the evening.
And the documents will be ready.
Everything. I will talk to my lawyer now. As you are leaving, he will send me the documents so that when he comes, you sign, I sign.
It's okay.
I just transfer the money. In our daily
it's okay. You will see me in the evening.
All right.
One more thing. I will send you my daughter's account number because my own account has a problem. I will send you my own daughter's account number so that you send the money into her account because she's the one to make use of the money. Okay. I will send you her account number. Please, in the evening, I got the Pokanam.
No, but
don't disappoint me.
If you fail, any other thing comes, you will take the money.
Don't worry. I will be here. Don't worry.
All right, thank you.
Life is not made of roses. No one can change the hand of clock. Nobody can change God's plans. Wabi tupu goma yoma, afufa mambuli, nenu wa, saka kadebu. Wabi tupu goma yoma, afufa mambuli, nenu wa, saka kadebu. Wabi tupu goma yoma, afufa mambuli. It's been that my hand is not strong. My enemies would have cut it off. Opakinego kataya, oshibego roma, manachia mwana. Miri sosia wacha, ebele miri tusia, ojesu rike, achimwa mwana. Jiri shimwa dibia nene shina. Nobody can stop my shine. Nobody can stop God's glory. Nobody can stop my shine. It can only take time. My stars must shine. My stars must shine. Enemies they are doing in vain.
Open your phone. Did you see any alert? How much? 4.5 million. Okay. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Rush. You know what to do. Yes, I have sold the land. That's the payment for the land. Okay, I am coming back now. Okay, just go and do what I asked you to do. Rush, please. Okay, wait. It's your marvelous.
If you 4.5 million. Daily beef. Daily beef.
What's it like?
When you 4.5 on that corner. I'm boss.
My love, I'll transfer the money to you now.
Which money?
The 4 million you talked about, your flight ticket to China. Remember, flight ticket, upkeep.
How did you raise such amount?
Well, the thing is, I tricked my father into selling one of our lands. The money was paid to my account. But please, on no account should you tell anyone that I was the one who gave you the money. Please.
Are you serious? Hey, how can I ever repay you? You're such a darling. Thank you very much. Thank you. You just revived me.
Well, I'm doing it for the both of us. One more thing.
Okay, just say it.
I'm sending you this money on a condition.
Okay.
That when you finally get to China, promise me that you're going to make it for the both of us.
Of course. Say no more.
Baby, I want you to focus. And I want you to also replace the land my father sold when you get back, or better yet, before you even come back.
Baby, say no more. I will make myself proud. I will make us proud. I will make the entire community. In fact, I will make the whole world proud.
Are you sure?
Yes.
That's fine.
Thank you very much.
Let me send it.
Hey. Don't make mistake. Oh, the zero has to be 6.
Baby, relax. I'm still a teacher.
Add 1 0 or 6 0, goddamn.
It's not made of roses.
The transfer is done. Your 5% of the money, you can check.
Really? Oh yes, it has entered. But wait, how far now? You're not complete now. Yes, now it's not complete. What about the money I used in hiring that car? How far now? We discussed about this.
Oh, that's true. I'm sorry, I forgot. Don't worry, I'll send it later. At least you did a good job, so thank you.
It's okay. Voila.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh, wait. So, how is the guy?
He has gone to the city to prepare for his trip abroad.
I see. That's nice. But you know what? I'm bothered. Something is bothering me. I don't know.
What is it?
What if your father finds out about the game we played?
Is this before? How will he find out? Is he a prophet? Is it you that will tell him? No. So why you... I told you I have all this covered. I covered all my tracks. Besides, I've deleted my brother's phone number from his phone, so he can never find out.
So what if your brother calls?
It doesn't matter. When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it, okay?
I see. Babe, wait. Hold on, please. I beg, in case you are cast, I beg, no call my name.
Meaning waiting now.
No, I know I just talk, I beg.
Meaning waiting, who won't cast time now you? When you're collecting your money just now, you not send anything, I beg.
No call my name. Anyway, what's my own? I've taken my money. Deal done.
Nachi's land is not going. Ha! Where is not going?
Hey,
Papa, I'm back.
Mommy.
Welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
So how did it go?
It was successful. Yes. At least now I'm happy, Papa. Thank you so much.
Hey.
My brother will not go to jail because of you. Thank you.
I thought I saw you've given the boy the money. No?
Yes.
Oh. Nine. Chai.
So when is he going back?
He will leave for Lagos this evening. Then tomorrow he will travel back to Malaysia.
Okay.
Hey. Nani. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You see, let me tell you something. You see, in my next world, you will still be my husband. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Nice amen now.
If you want to play love, you should go inside. What's that?
It's okay. No problem. But it's so painful that I lost that land because of problem.
Papa.
So painful.
Are you still talking about... What was this now? Does it mean you value land more than your son's life? I don't get it. Don't forget what Paul said. He said brother has so much money stashed. When he comes out, trust me, he will give you more than that. Is it this small money you're talking about? Brother has plenty money. Convert that money to that. Do you know how much it is? Papa, don't go there.
Calm down. Our daughter is actually right, though. But I understand. It's well.
Mama, you need to have seen how happy Paul was.
Chai!
He was so happy that his friend will not go to jail. Because jail is not easy in abroad, though. Mama. They punish, they torture.
Can I have rest now? I want to think. Please.
Biachom, so this is the color of vegetable you bought from the market. You didn't see the green one?
Mama, this is the only one I saw now.
This one is no longer green vegetable now. This is yellow vegetable. What is this?
That's the only vegetable in the market.
Use it like that. I will give you vitamin what? Vitamin Q.
I have noticed that for the past 2 weeks now, I've not set my eyes on Obina. Keboji, what is happening?
Hey!
Where is he?
Nai just woke up. Nai, okay, your day just broke. Obina that left this house 2 weeks ago. You are just now asking me, Yebo, where did he go?
So has this nonsense answered my question?
Okay. Do you really want to know? I'll tell you. Obina traveled.
Obina traveled to where?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
What is difficult for you to understand in what I just said? I don't know, Bunamaron. Is it the I or don't or no? What don't you understand? That's my final answer. My final answer is that I don't know.
Oh, Mama, why are you hiding Obina's whereabouts for Papa? Papa, since Obina staying in this house is a problem for you, he has left. He has traveled to China so that all the land and the house, you can have them to yourself.
Shut up your mouth, you're a woman. Shut up!
Mama, somebody has to tell Papa the truth. Let him rest.
Wait. Excuse me. Obina has traveled to China. What does that mean?
Papa, you heard clear. He traveled to China.
Obina.
This vegetable just a mess. Just a mess.
China.
You are not with your clear eyes. The devil has taken place.
Pascal said he never had any police case, and he never sent anybody to collect 4 million naira from us.
Hey! Mama, what do you mean he did not send anybody to this house to collect?
We are finished.
Mama, wait. What do you mean that? He was not involved in any police case, or he didn't even send for 4 million. Like, I don't understand. What are you saying, Mama? Who was the person that came here to collect 4 million naira?
Yahoo.
What do you mean Yahoo?
Yahoo. They have done I and your father yahoo yahoo.
Hey, Chimo.
If I set my eyes on that boy, if I set my eyes on that fool, that criminal.
Papa, you know, in everything we have to give thanks to God. You don't have to start reacting at this point. Let's think this thing through. It's not the end of the world. Definitely we'll recover. But why would somebody want to dupe us now? Who was this?